Ealdöver Slindo Uriel Tunir Folder Rummick, Flitzlick Hover and Ting and Jest, Tum Black Sabbath Actic Gitarif in Summon Med and Brang. Sitting in my room, reading about the past. My grandfather Emilius, a shadow that will last. A showman and a jester, rocking on the stage. Died just like Dirch Passer, breaking through the cage. Born in 1887, exactly 100 years before I got the blueprint, before I conquered fears. They say we won't grow old, they talk a lot of trash, but we want a long life before we turn to ash. We want a long life, we're gonna grow old. I don't care about your titles or your university degree. You don't know a damn thing about my destiny of the wheel. With 40 years of power and a heart made of steel. My father was a mason, built churches in the sand. The oldest trade of structures, tracing through the land. He built things for 30 years, made them strong and tight, and taught me how to drive a car and win the race and fight. Since I was 15 years old, in a Ford Escort Mark II, doing automatic mark race, that's how my power grew. No accidents for 30 years, but people drive like fools. They need a brand new driving test, cause they don't know the rules. We want a long life, we're gonna grow old. I don't care about your titles or your university degree. You don't know a damn thing about my destiny of the wheel. With 40 years of power and a heart made of steel. In the morning, coffee in my hand. My boppy a bit dyslexic, exactly as I planned. Harmon Swank means nothing if your common books is dead. I need the smartest people with a vacuum every year. Adjust my chair, look me in the eyes. I'm gonna live past 70, no limits, no lies. My arm is short, the joystick's far, but I can reach that guy. Don't tell me what I cannot do, a vanquard of the wheel. With 40 years of power and a heart